Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Three steps to managing multiple designs in a single file. Step 1. Go to File, New, and check the Artboards checkbox. Each artboard acts as its own independent canvas inside your document. Step 2. Use the Artboard tool, hidden under the Move tool, to add more artboards or resize existing ones. Designing a social media kit? Create separate artboards for Instagram Square, Facebook Cover, and Twitter Header all in one PSD. Step 3. Export them individually. Go to File, Export, then Artboards to Files. Photoshop saves each artboard as its own image, named automatically. No more juggling 10 separate documents. One file, many designs, total organization.